In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team section in Wix, a simple yet effective way to showcase the amazing individuals behind your brand. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger organization, featuring your team members prominently can add a personal touch to your website and establish trust with your audience. Let's get started by heading over to the Wix App Market. This is a treasure trove of additional functionalities that really allow you to expand the potential of your Wix site, making it more engaging and versatile. You'll find the App Market within your Wix dashboard. Just look for the icon that resembles a small storefront. This is where we will find the tool necessary to create our team section. Once you're in the App Market, use the search feature, which is usually located at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in Team Profile. This search will bring up a variety of options related to team displays, but what you need to look for is an app specifically designed to integrate team profiles seamlessly into your site. It's likely named something intuitive like Team Profile or Team Display, and it should come up quite prominently in your search results. When you find the correct app, click on it to read more about what it offers. Typically, these apps allow you to add sections that not only include names and job titles, but also attach photos and social media links, making your team members more relatable and accessible. Before you add it to your site, check out the app's reviews and ratings to ensure it's a good fit for your needs. A brief glance at the feedback from other users can give you a sense of its reliability and ease of use. Now, let's add it to your site. You should see an Add to Site button, which you'll click. The app typically takes a moment to integrate, and then voila, it's part of your site. You can now start adding content to your team section. Head back to your site editor, and you should now see the app in your list of available elements. You can drag and drop it to your preferred location on your webpage. Once placed, start customizing it by adding information about each team member. Use professional photos and concise descriptions to make a great first impression. Remember, the key to a successful team section is not only showcasing what each member does, but also highlighting what makes them exceptional in their roles. It's your opportunity to display the human side of your business, enhance your brand narrative, and build a deeper connection with your audience. With each team member featured, you're not just promoting your business, you're bringing it to life by sharing the stories of the people who work hard to make it all happen. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or check out more of our resources on getting the most from your Wix site. Have a great day.